Hi, my name is Mariann Holmen and I'm from Norway. Today I'm going to make a hand-tied bridal bouquet with some yellow Lisianthus. I have pre-cut them, cleanses the stem, and I have wired them up. So I will do a really round shape, a nice form, and I put the wired Lisianthus so they have an extra support, since they will be without water, but they will actually last because of the quality of the Lisianthus. I have before made a glued one with petals of Lisianthus, and they were lasting for 3 days without water, so the quality is really good. The stem of the Lisianthus are pointing in that direction, so when you turn it this way, it will have a face that's pointing down this way. So I will turn it so it's pointing in the center of the bouquet. Then I will get a much more even shape of the bouquet, and it will be much rounder. Such a small detail, but in the end it will end up even more nicer. I think you can do this bridal a long time before the wedding, 2 days, 3 days, or if you don't wire them up like I did. That's just because I wanted to use every flower head and don't throw anything. A Lisianthus can handle that. I'm finishing up with the bouquet. I tied it up and I will make some golden details with the wire, together with some banksia dry leaves, some greenery, lily grass. And then I have attached it to the bind wire, and then I will go in and make some waves in the bouquet. We need some more, I think. And then we are ready for some greeneries. Just to have a control of the leaves, I use this wire so I can attach it to the frame that I was making of the wire. Not so much on the top. I want the Lisianthus to be the main focus. Just to have some lines, I think it will be good. And voila, I think we have it. A really quick hand-tied for a really stressful husband who is going to pick up their bridal. Yeah, and I will also attach some ribbon as well. And then I cut it really a clean cut, and then I fold it so you don't have the ugly edge of the ribbon. And then I just apply it with the needle again, and then I go in with the other scissor, and then I cut the wires, and there you have a loose end, of course, and you attach it. So yeah, a hand-tied bridal bouquet.